To buy Dogelon Mars ELON on Uniswap, you will need a few basic tools. First, you need a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask. If you do not have one, you can download and install it from the official website. Once you have your digital wallet, you need to add Ethereum to it. You can buy Ethereum from a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Binance, and then transfer it to your digital wallet. After funding your wallet, go to the Uniswap website and click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Select your wallet provider from the list and follow the prompts to connect it to Uniswap. With your wallet connected, you can now navigate to the Swap section of the Uniswap website. In the From section, select Ethereum, and in the To section, you need to add the Dogelon Mars ELON contract address. You can find this address on the CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko website by searching for Dogelon Mars ELON. After adding the contract address, you can enter the amount of Ethereum you want to swap for Dogelon Mars ELON. Uniswap will automatically calculate the amount of Dogelon Mars ELON you will receive based on the current market price. Before confirming the transaction, make sure to review the details, including the amount of Ethereum you are swapping, the amount of Dogelon Mars ELON you will receive, and the transaction fees. If everything looks good, you can confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed on the Ethereum blockchain. Finally, once the transaction is confirmed, you can add the Dogelon Mars ELON token to your digital wallet by clicking on the Add Token button and entering the contract address. This will allow you to view your Dogelon Mars ELON balance and manage your tokens. By following these steps, you can easily buy Dogelon Mars ELON on Uniswap using your digital wallet and Ethereum. Always make sure to do your own research and understand the risks involved with buying and trading cryptocurrencies.